Hi friends, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ്. വാട്ടർ സപ്ലൈ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ടൈറ്റിലിൽ തന്നെ ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി വീഡിയോ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാക്സിമം KPSC ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻസും ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ മാക്സിമം ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടാണ് മോക്ക് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് പ്രയോജനകരമായിരിക്കും, പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞവർക്കും ഇനി പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നവർക്കും. സോ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവര് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. First question, the percentage of chlorine in fresh bleaching powder. Options 20 to 25%, 25 to 30%, 30 to 35%, 35 to 40%. Answer option C, 30 to 35%. The percentage of chlorine in fresh bleaching powder is ranges 30 to 35%. Which is defined as the difference between the amount of chlorine added to water and amount of chlorine remaining at the end of a specified contact pressure. Options: chlorine demand, breakpoint chlorination, free residual chlorine, superchlorination. Answer option A, chlorine demand. Chlorine demand is the difference between the amount of chlorine added to water and amount of chlorine remain at the end of a specified contact pressure. The removal of excess chlorine from water is known as options: breakpoint chlorination, superchlorination, double chlorination, dechlorination. Answer option D, dechlorination. The removal of excess chlorine from water is known as dechlorination. A reflux valve is also known as options: safety valve, score valve, air valve, check valve. Answer option D, check valve. A reflux valve is also known as check valve. The process of removing excess chlorine from water is called options: dechlorination, post-chlorination, superchlorination, pre-chlorination. Answer option A, dechlorination. Bleaching powder is options: slaked lime, chloride of lime, hypochlorite of lime, hypochlorite of lime. Answer option D, hypochlorite of lime. Bleaching powder is hypochlorite of lime. Rapid sand filter can remove the bacteria up to an extent of options: 60 to 70%, 70 to 80%, 80 to 90%, 90 to 100%. Answer option C, 80 to 90%. The rapid sand filter can remove the bacteria up to an extent of answer option C, 80 to 90%. Rate of filtration of a slow sand filter is taken as options: 10 to 100 liter per hour per m square, 100 to 200 liter per hour per m square, 200 to 400 liter per hour per m square, 400 to 1000 liter per hour per m square. Answer option B, 100 to 200 liter per hour per m square. The rate of filtration of a slow sand filter is taken as answer 100 to 200 liter per hour per m square. Under average Indian condition, the demand of water for domestic consumption in liter per capita per day is about options 80, 100, 120, 135. Answer option D 135. Under average Indian condition, the demand of water for domestic consumption is about 135 liter per capita per day. The type of water supply distribution system layout most suitable for a city layout on a rectangular plane is options dead-end system, grid-iron system, ring system, radial system. Answer option B, grid-iron system. The type of water supply distribution system layout most suitable for a city layout on a rectangular plane is answer option B, grid-iron system. Disinfection of water is done by options filtration, passing chlorine, alum, heating. Answer option B, passing chlorine. Disinfection of water is done by passing chlorine. Depth of a shallow well is not more than options 40 meter, 50 meter, 60 meter, 30 meter. Answer option D 30 meter. Depth of a shallow well is not more than answer option D 30 meter. Diameter of a tube well varies from options 0.6 to 0.9 meter, 2 to 5 meter, 5 to 8 meter, 8 to 10 meter. Answer option A 0.6 to 0.9 meter. The diameter of a tube well is varies from 0.6 to 0.9 meter. Ultraviolet rays used for the treatment of water is known as options disinfection, dechlorination, aeration, bleaching. Answer option A disinfection. Ultraviolet rays used for the treatment of water is known as answer disinfection. The first stage in water treatment is options purification, filtration, sedimentation, disinfection. Answer option C sedimentation. The first stage in water treatment is answer sedimentation. The best coagulant for removing color is options lime, iron sulfate, alum, none of those. Answer option C alum. The best coagulant for removing color is answer alum. pathogenic bacteria can be killed by options nitrification, chlorination, filtration, oxidation. Answer option B, chlorination. Pathogenic bacteria can be killed by answer chlorination. Hardness of water can be removed by boiling if it is due to options calcium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Answer option A, calcium bicarbonate. Hardness of water can be removed by boiling if it is due to calcium bicarbonate. The presence of calcium and magnesium chloride in water causes options softening, hardness, bad taste, turbidity. Answer option B, hardness. The presence of calcium and magnesium chloride in water causes answer hardness. Disinfection of drinking water done to remove options odor, bacteria, color, turbidity. Answer option B, bacteria. Disinfection of drinking water done to remove answer bacteria. Among the following in which filter backwashing cannot be done for cleaning the filter? Options slow sand filter, rapid sand filter, pressure filter, rapid gravity filter. Answer option A, slow sand filter. In treatment of water, what for sedimentation with coagulation is done? Options to remove iron and manganese, to remove foul gases, to remove bacteria, remove fine colloidal particles. Answer option D, remove fine colloidal particles. In treatment of water, what for sedimentation with coagulation is done? Answer option D, remove fine colloidal particles. The chloride content of treated water for public supplies should not exceed options 100 ppm, 150 ppm, 200 ppm, 250 ppm. Answer option D, 250 ppm. The chloride content of treated water for public supplies should not exceed 250 ppm. The solution has pH value is less than 7 is options acidic, neutral, alkaline, pure. Answer option A, acidic. The solution has pH value is less than 7 is answer option A, acidic. The fluoride concentration less than prescribed permissible limit may causes options dental cavities, spotting of teeth, decolorization of teeth, fluorosis. Answer option A, dental cavities. The fluoride concentration is less than a prescribed permissible limit. It causes dental cavities. Fluoride pollution mainly affects options teeth, brain, kidney, heart. Answer option A, teeth. Fluoride pollution mainly affects teeth. In surface water, the presence of taste and odor due to dissolved gases may be removed by options filtration, coagulation, aeration, disinfection. Answer option C, aeration. In surface water, the presence of taste and odor due to dissolved gases may be removed by aeration. Iodine is used to disinfect. Options swimming pool, municipal water supply, raw water without any treatment, none of those. Answer option A, swimming pool. Iodine is used to disinfect swimming pool. Colloidal impurities found in water can be removed by options coagulation, disinfection, boiling, filtration. Answer option A, coagulation. Colloidal impurities found in water can be removed by answer coagulation. Water supply scheme is usually designed for a period of 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, 50 year. Answer option C, 20 year. The water supply scheme is usually designed for a period of answer 20 year. Which of the following the sludge digestion and sedimentation take place in the same chamber? Options trickling filter, sludge digestion tank, septic tank, MHOF tank. Answer option C, septic tank. The sludge digestion and sedimentation take place in one chamber. Answer is septic tank. What is an oxidation ditch? Options primary treatment system, extended aeration system, sludge disposal system, sludge return system. Answer option B, extended aeration system. The oxidation ditch is extended aeration system. Which of the following method is used to forecast the population of old and very large city? Options arithmetic increase method, geometric progression method, graphical method, logistic curve method. Answer option A, arithmetic increase method. The method is used to forecast the population of old and very large city. Answer arithmetic increase method. Per capita water demand. Options average amount of daily water required by one person, monthly average amount of daily water required by one person, annual average amount of daily water required by one person, weekly average amount of daily water required by one person. Answer option C, annual average amount of daily water required by one person. That is called per capita water demand. The total water demand may be taken as options 270, 135, 160, 210. Answer option A 270. The total water demand may be taken as answer 270. Average water consumption for government officers ranges from options 25 to 50, 75 to 100, 30 to 60, 45 to 90. Answer option D 45 to 90. Average water consumption for government officers that is ranges from 45 to 90. The water distribution networks are normally designed period of options 50 year, 40 year, 30 year, 20 year. Answer option C 30 year. The water distribution networks are normally designed the period of answer 30 year. The value of peak factor considered in the estimation of water demand for the population of 1 lakh is options 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, 3. Answer option B 2.5. The color in water is determined by options tintometer, spectrophotometer, photometer, all of those. Answer option A tintometer. The color in water is determined by answer option A tintometer. Socket and spigot joint is used. Options CI pipe, concrete pipe, AC pipe, GI pipe. Answer option A CI pipe. CI pipe means cast iron pipe. Socket and spigot joint is used in CI pipe. Joints are used when pipe is subjected to high temperature. Options expansion joints, flanged joint, socket and spigot joint, GI pipe joint. Answer option A expansion joint. Joints are used when pipe is subjected to high temperature. Answer option A expansion joint. Usual minimum size of service pipe for domestic water supply is options 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm. Answer option C 20 mm. Usual minimum size of service pipe for domestic water supply is answer 20 mm. A GI pipe has a coating of options carbon, copper, zinc, iron. Answer option C zinc. A GI that means galvanized iron pipe has a coating of answer zinc. The system of layout of distribution pipe, one main supply from which submains are taken. Options circular system, radial system, tree system, grid iron system. Answer option C tree system. System of layout of distribution pipe. One main supply from which sub-mains are taken. Answer, tree system. The treatment of water with only chlorine is known as. Options: dechlorination, post-chlorination, plain chlorination, pre-chlorination. Answer: option C, plain chlorination. The treatment of water with only chlorination is known as. Answer: plain chlorination. Bleaching powder is a. Options: chloride of lime, slaked lime, hypochlorite lime, none of those. Answer: option C, hypochlorite lime. Bleaching powder is a hypochlorite lime. Disinfection of swimming pool water we use. Options: fluorine, iodine, bromine, chlorine. Answer: option C, bromine. Disinfection of swimming pool water we use bromine. Method of removing permanent hardness. Options: boiling, adding lime, demineralization process, none of those. Answer: option C, demineralization process. Method of removing permanent hardness. Answer: option C, demineralization process. Boiling, adding limes are the temporary hardness removing method. The time of contact for chlorination should be at least. Options: 1 hour, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 hours. Answer: option C, 20 minutes. The time of contact for chlorination should be at least 20 minutes. Odor and taste is controlled by. Options: coagulation, disinfection, aeration, soda lime process. Answer: option C, aeration. Odor and taste is controlled by. Answer: option C, aeration. In public supply project, the coagulation is to be adopted when turbidity of water will exceeds. Options: 100 ppm, 50 ppm, 40 ppm, 10 ppm. Answer: option C, 40 ppm. In public supply project, coagulation is to be adopted when turbidity of water will exceeds 40 ppm. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് വാട്ടർ സപ്ലൈ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് അടങ്ങിയ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. വാട്ടർ സപ്ലൈ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ ഡിസ്കഷൻ, തിയറി പോർഷൻസ് കൂടി ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തൊരു ആ വീഡിയോ കാണുക. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്, പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ തന്നെ ധാരാളം മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകളും പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഡിസ്കഷനുകളൊക്കെ ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിലുണ്ട്. ഇതുവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവര് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതേപോലെ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ അപ്ഡേറ്റ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനകരമായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.